Okay guys, so in this short video I'm showing you how to remove the rear shocks on a Crown Victoria. If you have any questions, please comment below. Okay, so here I'm loosening up the knot from the top. This job is actually easier than it actually looks. All you have to do is have somebody hold the shock in the bottom, on the bottom of the vehicle. In this case, I'm using a vise. Obviously, I have the vehicle up on a lift, so it's easier for me to work on it. I didn't show how to remove the lower bolt because that's self-explanatory. So as soon as you hold, and then also now I have the wrench on top. So all I'm doing is spinning the shock out. It's really simple. It's really not much to it. It's just an uncomfortable job. Also, don't forget to support the rear axle. It's very important.